All right, YouTube, this is Courtney. I'm on my last job. This is a referral. The mom of one of my customers. So I'm out here, guys, doing 5 areas. And she also added 4 dining room chairs. So just to show you guys something, just a little quick tip, not going to make this long. You know how sometimes you're cleaning and you get water drop, especially on the hardwood floors, because for some reason, people are scared of when water gets on floors. I don't know why, especially hardwoods. But people just, it makes people nervous. So what I do now, guys, because one, I hate to see a customer cleaning up behind me. So what I do now, I bring in my microfiber mop. And as I'm coming out these rooms, I'll take this microfiber mop and just basically clean up behind myself, clean up my footprints, clean up any drops that may leak on the floors from my wand or any of my cleaning tools. And again, just doing that all the way back out. That way you're cleaning up as you're going and you don't have to worry about the customer cleaning up behind you. So just want to throw that little tip out there, guys, because one of my pet peeves, I do not like customers cleaning up behind me. It just seems unprofessional, and I just don't like it. So I just want to throw that out there, and I just keep it hung up on my E-Track, and that's it. So I talked to my buddy Will at TCS, because what I want to do too, guys, you can see my fresh water reel, and then also my my pressure reel, my fresh water. I want to take these. He said he's going to look at it, but I wish I can get a bracket that can sit over my vacuum hose and take these and put them up here somewhere. So he said he think he has a bracket that he can maybe find me, and what it would do, all this room right here would just be wide open and just get these out my way. So I really want to do that. Hopefully I can get that done and just get those reels, because I was thinking about maybe, but I can't push the vacuum reel back to put these here. Not enough room, so I have to put them up here somewhere. So maybe we can find a bracket and we can do that. So wish me luck, guys. All right, see you in the next one.